Anyway, during this 30% of the conversation, just keep messing around and say whatever comes to mind. If you get into an argument on a topic, don't get angry and debate to prove your point. Remember what I told you earlier, you don't need anything from her. You don't need her approval. You don't have to agree with her all the time, but don't torture yourself trying to convey a certain idea or convince her of something. Now, let's talk about the 20% when you talk about yourself. Never ever try to show her that you're amazing. Don't talk about your achievements or adventures. Let me give you a golden piece of advice. When you talk about yourself, always make fun of yourself a little. When you tell a story about yourself, try to tell a story that makes you look silly or crazy, not a story that makes you look great. This way, she'll see that you don't need her approval and you don't need her admiration. Another thing I want you to do is to be mysterious. Your personality should have an element of mystery. This mystery is something I'll make a separate video about to explain it to you in detail, but for now, I'll give you a brief overview.